Hello everyone, this is Jag and I've got a big ant problem. Every time I go back into my backyard to check up on my plants or to pick some vegetables, I get bitten by ants and they bite like crazy. Now I'm against killing animals and insects, but sometimes you gotta kill the pests in your garden to save your vegetables or sometimes save yourself. So I've got to do something about it. If the other party is not really cooperating, what else can you do? So in order to get rid of ants, in this video I'm going to create a borax solution. Now you can actually buy this ant killing solution from Lowe's or Home Depot. This is about $6 and this actually contains borax. This is the active ingredient in there. So instead of buying this, you can actually buy a box of borax, which is also about $6, and this will make about 100 of these. So in this video I'll show you how you can make your own borax solution. However, the trick is to make a liquid solution and also make a dry compound. Now the reason is that the ants that drink the liquid solution, they'll dry pretty soon. However, ants take the dry food material back to their nest to feed the larva and the queen. And the ants turn the dry food material into liquid food to feed the larva and the queen. And that's the only way you can get to the larva and the queen. So if you only use the liquid solution, you will get rid of some ants. However, the queen will still produce eggs and the ant population will regrow. So without any further ado, let me show you how you can create the liquid solution and the dry solution to get rid of ants in your garden. So let's get started. Anytime you're working with borax, make sure you wear a face mask so that you don't inhale the borax. I actually wear a medical grade face mask because I have allergies and nothing gets through this. To make a liquid solution, add 1 tablespoon of borax to a plastic bottle and then add 4 tablespoons of sugar. You want to make sure you add enough sugar to the solution so that it masks the taste of borax so that the ants take the bait. Adding at least 4 times as much sugar as borax does the trick. After adding sugar, add 1/4 cup of water, close the bottle and then shake the solution really well. And this finalizes our liquid solution. To make the dry compound, again add 1 tablespoon of borax to a plastic bottle and then add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Add couple of drops of water to the plastic bottle and then mix the compound well. Even after adding a little bit of water, the compound still should be on the drier side. Now cut a notch in the plastic bottle for the opening for the ants to enter into the bottle. I have located the mounds of ants in my garden. These mounds have been a source of pain to work in the garden. I then place the dry compound trap and the liquid solution trap right next to the mounds. I place the notch side up so that the solution does not drip out of the bottle. If you have kids and dogs in your family, instead of using the plastic bottle, use a glass mason jar and poke holes in the lid of the jar. I also place the traps alongside my raised bed, again making sure that the notch is facing up. A highway of ants goes right on top of my raised bed, so I place the traps in my raised bed as well. After 1 week, the traps seem to work really well. The liquid trap caught the fly, but most importantly, the liquid trap caught a lot of ants. The ants are rolling right on top of and inside the liquid solution trap, which means the ants are taking the bait. I also found quite a few ants in the dry compound trap as well, which means the dry compound trap is also working well. The liquid solution trap that I placed right inside my raised bed has a lot of dead ants. However, this is a very small fraction of ants that are affected by this trap because majority of the ants take the bait and leave the trap. All in all, these traps work really well and I saw a great reduction of ants in my backyard. This trap is the best way to control and even get rid of ants in your garden. However, fighting ants is an uphill battle. It's like fighting White Walkers in Game of Thrones. No matter how many you get rid of, there are more and more that keep coming back. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in another video.